Today we are going to see one very famous German recipe. It is called as Apfelkuchen, meaning apple cake. Okay. So the purpose of this video is not only to learn some German recipe, but to learn German language as well. So through this video or through this recipe, we are going to learn new German words, and so our vocabulary will increase, isn't it? So now we'll start with the video. Now for this recipe, whatever ingredients we need, that we'll see it here. Okay. So this is butter, half cup butter. It is called as halb Tasse Butter. Tasse is cup. Okay. And butter is butter. Then we need 150 gram sugar. This is called as 150 gram Zucker. Zucker is sugar. Then we need some 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. So in German we'll say 2 oder 3 Esslöffel. Esslöffel is tablespoon of milk. Then we'll need some 1.5 cups of flour. So it is called as 1,5 Tasse Mehl. M-E-H-L, mehl. Mehl is flour. Then we'll need 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Baking powder is called as Backpulver. Okay. So we'll need eine Esslöffel Backpulver. Okay. And of course we'll need some peeled and cut apples. Okay. So these are Apfel, right? So these are the ingredients or Zutaten, right? Now we'll start with actual recipe. Now first in a bowl we have to take some butter, that is half cup of butter, and then some sugar. Okay, this is 150 gram of sugar, Zucker, right? So we have to say in German, geben Sie eine Schüssel. Schüssel is bowl. In our kitchen item in German video, we have seen that Schüssel meaning bowl. Okay. So geben Sie eine Schüssel halb Tasse Butter, meaning half cup of butter, und 150 gram Zucker, 150 gram sugar. Okay. Then mix it well till it gets soft. Okay. So how will you say in German? Mischen. Mischen is to mix. Mischen bis es weich ist. Okay. Weich meaning soft. So just mix it till it gets soft. Then you have to add the dry ingredients, that are meal, that is flour, and this is baking powder. Okay. So this is 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So how will you say in German? Then you can say und Mehl und Backpulver hinzufügen, meaning you have to add baking powder and flour. Okay. Now mix it well. Now if needful, you just have to add some milk to it. Okay. So und 2 oder 3 Esslöffel Milch hinzufügen, meaning you have to add it. Okay, right? So now our batter is ready. Batter is called as Teig, T-E-I-G, Teig. Now what we have to do now, we'll add little bit more milk. Okay, Milch hinzufügen, and then we have to grease this pan with butter. Okay, we have to take one pan and we have to grease this with some butter, right? So how will you say in German? That is eine Pfanne. Pfanne is pan. Again in our kitchen items we have seen that pan is Pfanne. Okay, eine Pfanne mit Butter. This is called as einfetten, meaning to grease it, right? Then Teig hinzufügen, meaning the Teig is batter. Okay, so the batter will add this to this pan, and we'll just make it even, the batter, okay, with one back side of the spoon. So now this batter is ready, and finally what we'll do, we'll top up this batter with this peeled and cut apples, okay. So we can say den Apfel auf den Teig legen. Legen is to place. So we will place the apple on the top of the batter. Teig is batter. Okay. So this is done now. Now we will bake this cake in oven for 180 degrees C for 30 to 40 minutes. So how will you say in German? 30 bis 40 minimal by 180 degrees C backen. Meaning we have to bake this cake for 30 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees C. Okay. So we'll just keep it in the oven. Okay, now we'll keep this in oven. It is ready. Es ist fertig.